Respected parents, teachers, friends, and audience. Today we gather here to celebrate 17th Republic Day. I want to say about the Republic Day, may God encourage and persuade. Dear audience, country was under British rule. After many struggles and sacrifice, our country got freedom on 15th August 1947. But our constitution was met and implemented on 26th January 1950. So since and celebrate this national festival every year on this day. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian also celebrate this festival. On this day, we remember our martyrs. We should also take an oath to make our country great. It can be fulfilled only to gain education. Thank you.